breaking news coming in this entire matter where DKS, as the BJP alleges that had asked for a reservation, but now he has taken a U-turn, viewers. DK Shiv Kumar, Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, he said that constitution cannot be changed. This is after when he categorically asked viewers for reservation on the basis of religion. And now he says that the constitution cannot be changed. It is the Congress who gave the constitution to India. This is a massive U-turn following the backlash there in the parliament. DKS has also said that he is going to take up the matter legally, and that he is not afraid of anyone. He'd never change that constitution is going to change. But viewers, massive ruckus in the parliament. It was first Union Minister Kiren Rijiju, Parliamentary Affairs, who there on the floor of the House sought clear answers from the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, who in the past many years we have seen how they carried out an entire Bharat Jodo Yatra as well, holding that book of constitution. And today, Rijiju, JP Nadda, all of them asking clear answers from the Congress party as to where do they stand when one of their own deputy chief minister holding a constitution post goes out and seeks reservation on the basis of religion. Viewers. Okay, viewers, this is a major controversy over there in the national capital and in the state of Karnataka as well, viewers. Just listen in to what DK Shiv Kumar has to say on the matter.
See, I am a sensible senior politician than Mr. Nadda. I have been in the assembly last 36 years. I have a basic common sense. I have not said that there will be any. I have said casually there will be so many changes after various judgments. Whatever reservation has been given as per the quota of the backward class has been given. I have not said that we are going to change the constitution or not that. Whatever they are quoting is wrong. They are miscarrying it. I am categorically telling that we are a national party. We know what is the constitution, how constitution has been. It is our party. We have brought the constitution to this country, and they are misguiding. I will take a breach of privilege on this. I will fight out a case. They are misquoting me. I have not quoted out anything on this. Why should I tell? I have said casually that there are so many places when judgments come on the basis of judgment, some constitution have been changed. That's all. I have not referred to this issue. This is the issue. If they want to take my name, if they want to feel happy with taking my name everywhere, let them do whatever they want.
Viewers, joining me live on this broadcast is my colleague Abhishek. Abhishek, now DKS has taken a major U-turn. He said that he never said that there should be reservation on the basis of religion. But now this statement where he initially did seek reservation and he said that there should be reservation on the basis of religion has created a massive ruckus in the parliament as well. The parliament has been adjourned. Union ministers have sought clear answers from the Congress party as to where do they stand on this statement. What more can we expect today in the state of Karnataka after this entire controversy is now snowballing?
Well, it is very clear from what DK Shiv Kumar, the Deputy CM of Karnataka, previously said that he had already claimed in an open stage that there have been amendments made to the Constitution previously and such amendments will also come into the force. He was sure that people will obviously get into the courts to fight a case, and he is also ready to move to the legal battle and make sure that the reservation is actually coming into force in the state of Karnataka. He also backed his government's decision of 4% reservation, which was unanimously okayed in the assembly hall. And also, when speaking to the media today, he says BJP are misquoting his interpretation that he never used in his speech that he is ready and he is batting for the 4% reservation for the Muslims in the state. And also we've seen what DK Shivkumar told, that BJP has made it sure that they would take his name whenever they want, and probably the BJP leaders throughout the country wouldn't want to sleep without taking the name of DK Shivkumar at least once in a day. He told while talking to the media that he is ready to file a legal complaint. He is ready to fight a legal battle if BJP wants to continue this forever by taking his name in unwanted matters. And he is also sure in his statement that he never uttered a word with respect to the 4% reservation on Muslims. Also, the state BJP and the national BJP have made it sure to speak to the media and speak to the public and make sure that what DK Shivkumar's statement, previous statement and the current statement is all about. Probably the state BJP will take it to the further heights which they previously have told the entire media of state and national.
Yes, Abhishek. Yes, Abhishek, thank you for those details.